The Nike Air Foamposite Pro University Blue is officially making its long-awaited return, bringing back one of the most iconic basketball sneakers of the early 2000s. The shoe features a matte University Blue Foamposite shell that immediately stands out, paired with clean white accents on the swoosh, eyestays, mesh tongue, and outsole. Midnight navy details appear on the mini swoosh and carbon fiber midfoot plate, adding contrast and depth to the design. The classic 1-cent logo on the tongue pays tribute to Penny Hardaway's legacy. First released in 2003, this colorway became a Foamposite grail as clean pairs became nearly impossible to find. Now confirmed for a March 2026 release, the comeback begins with big kids sizing under the Little Posite Pro line. While the shape differs slightly from men's pairs, the signature blue remains intact. Men's pairs are expected to follow, making this return a major moment for Foamposite fans and collectors alike.